Deadlines, deals and delays. Is the August 1st tariff ultimatum really any different to what's come and gone before? Maybe not, but tariffs are still more likely to go up than down. Take a look at our next report for more on this.
Despite the flurry of trade deals in the works, it's a massive week for markets and investors. After 3 tariff delays, is there any doubt that we will get a 4th delay on Friday this week? Granted, this time does look a little different. President Trump has begun to formalize deals with key trading partners, but deal or delay, is there much difference? What these deals essentially do is formalize the existing status quo, albeit with a slightly higher baseline tariff. For the US, it bakes in the flow of tariff revenue while keeping the threat of retaliation at bay. U.S. trading partners hope that by removing the rolling threat of escalation, deals can provide companies and consumers with a more stable economic environment. How true that is depends on how long these deals last, and that's clearly debatable. As the UK has discovered, the deals still leave many unanswered questions. What happens if the US imposes its long-threatened pharmaceutical tariffs? For the EU, this is 20% of what it exports to America. If this happens, the risk of retaliation from American trading partners surely goes up, and with it, the risk of a further escalation from President Trump. So the narrative for weeks hasn't changed. Tariffs are unlikely to go down and may well go up. That's one of the central reasons the European Central Bank will likely cut rates again this September. That's all a bit academic though. An extra rate cut here or there isn't moving the needle of history. So far, the macro impact has been remarkably limited. The jobs market looks solid, though the foundations are a little shakier when you dig beneath the surface. The new numbers this week are unlikely to be screaming for a need for the Federal Reserve to start cutting rates again. The Fed is expected to stay on the sidelines again this week. Bottom line expectations currently are no Fed rate cut until December. But when their cuts do come, they could come thick and fast. This is Bureau Report. WION World is One.